Alright everyone, welcome to a new video here. We're going to be making some snack sticks today. Making 10 pounds of snack sticks. We'll have 7 pounds of ground hamburger meat. We're using 73%. And these 2 packs right here equal 3 pounds of deer meat. So 3-to-7 ratio. Alright, mix your meat up real good. I've been mixing it for probably a little over 10 minutes. You want it tacky, like that they said. To get it good and mixed up. We got our smoker we just set to 120 and start heating up. And next we're going to open up the flavor. 10 pounds we're going for 2 pounds, 5 ounces of seasoning. We're going to be doing the honey barbecue snack sticks today. Add some seasoning. So for 10 pounds of meat, 11.5 grams of the pink pure salt. In with the pink pure salt. And we mix. Next we're going to add our sugar gel. 2.4 ounces. And we mix again. And lastly, 23 grams of smoked meat stabilizer.
Mix that in good.
I'm going to pair the meat with some pepper cheese. Also 1 pound, but we're going to double up and go 2. Can't have too much cheese. I like some cheese. In goes cheese.
Squeeze it. Open the balls of it. Can we dump it all? You want?
Oh yeah, I think you can probably go ahead and dump it all. I'll mix it in well. Alright, and we mix again. By this point, it's extremely tacky. They're gonna be cheesy. About to get serious here. Got to load our tub up. This will hold 11 pounds, 10 pounds of meat, so it's all going in here. We got 19mm casings attached, and we're gonna load it up. Put this over here. Careful, that will pop. Well, not.
Say when.
Go. Alright, we got all our meat into the casings now, so time to do a little bit of cleaning up and washing some of these dirty utensils and pans. So while we do that, we're going to make sure our smoker's at the right temp and do some catching up on the cleaning. Got our snack sticks layered on the trays and in the smoker. Just rotated them after 2 hours. We about to start the smoke.
Yep.
Smoke is starting. They have been going for about 4 hours now. Internal tips around 120. We want to get them to 165. So, yep, bottom trays at about 130 right now. I know you can't see it, but we want to hit them at 165. So, probably about another 2 hours. All right, what we have here is an ice bath for our sticks when they come out. We'll go in here for 10 minutes. Then they're going to sit out for about 2-3 hours room temp before they go into the fridge. So they're about 5 degrees away right now. About to go get them out of the smoker. Sticks are done. About to go into the ice bath. Smoked for about probably 8 or more hours. That's our final product here. Just finished cutting them and sealing them. Well, that's gonna be it for this one. See y'all on the next one. So good.